Hello, students from second grade. This is Miss Mary, and today we are going to practice the classroom objects.
Pencil,
Pencil,
pen,
pen,
ruler,
ruler,
pencil case,
pencil case,
crayons,
crayons,
books,
books,
scissors,
scissors,
friends.
and friends. And now you are going to listen to the song. Don't forget to make the gestures, all the actions, and sing. Let's do it.
Pencil,
May I borrow your pencil? May I borrow your pencil? May I borrow your pen? May I borrow your pen? May I borrow your ruler? May I borrow your ruler? May I borrow your pencil case? May I borrow your pencil case? Of course.
crayons,
May I borrow your crayons? May I borrow your crayons? May I borrow your books? May I borrow your books? May I borrow your scissors? May I borrow your scissors? May I borrow your friends? May I borrow your friends? Of course. Of course. Of course.
Okay, students, I hope you enjoy it. Bye bye. See you next day.